Benelli presents the Tornado 300 at the Eicma event. Is the entry-level model in the new range of fared sport bikes, which has a very pure Supersport design. The instrumentation consists of a 5-inch color TFT screen that has a Bluetooth connection. TPMS function to control tire pressure, LED light with outstanding design. Powered by a 300cc, 4-stroke DOHC parallel twin-cylinder engine. Power of 35 HP at 11,000 revolutions per minute and torque of 27 Nm at 9,000 revolutions per minute. The Benelli Tornado 300 frame is a trellis frame made of steel tubes. USD 41mm front suspension with hydraulic adjustment. At the rear we find a swing arm with a single shock absorber in the center with adjustable spring preload. The rims measure 17 inches made of aluminum alloy. The braking system is entrusted to dual 260mm semi-floating discs with 4-piston calipers at the front, while at the rear there are 240mm discs with single-piston floating calipers. Please enjoy more detailed images about this Benelli 300.